FragWatch here. Today we're going to be doing a little review of some Waizowl keycaps. It's their Christmas keycaps. I love them. They were great for a decoration during the holidays, but we're past that now. So let's review these, and I'll get them off here today. I had somebody recently tell me they looked ugly after Christmas. So, get them off. Let's pry off. Let's do this G. So some of these, the ones with logos on them, do have side lettering. They got the side labeling on them. I'm pulling off. I'll show you. Let's hope this doesn't stop the video or actuate some. This is on a black diamond 75 RT keyboard, Hall Effect keyboard from Black Diamond and Angry Mouse. Cool little keyboard. So it's got present graphic. These Waizowl keycaps, all their keycaps are incredible. They're in insane value, like compared to what you get from other companies. This is kind of a standard profile. Their stem adherence is good. Let's unplug this. That way I can do a typing test and not stop the recording, yeah? This says Bless Christmas. Hit Control, December 25th. Happy tag. Must be some, I don't know. Here's a letter to Santa. Gingerbread house. Mistletoe. It's really cool. Okay, here's the typey boy. I like to eat all of the cats on the new year. Just kidding. No, I don't. I like to feed all of the cats on the new year. How do I feel about this keyboard? Well, I like to think that it could be one of the best keycap sets for Christmas that I have. They sound great in my opinion. It's a little test how most reviewers do it. I'll stop writing my love note. I'm still working on this keycap review process. How I'm going to show you guys. Here's the space bar. Pretty nice. This is on a leaf spring backing, so it is leaf spring on the back, and there's foam padding underneath on this black diamond, so it's a more premium experience than you get with some keyboards. Anyways, this is the Waizowl Christmas set. Very nice. Take it easy. Check them out. Waizowl. Waizowl. And it's their Christmas keycap set. I forgot what it's actually called. I don't think they have it on their site anymore. Maybe they put it back up. Maybe they got stock back in. Check it out. They're awesome. All their keycaps are awesome. Highly recommended. FragWatch out. Catch you guys in the next one. Boop, boop, boop. Got a lot of recording to do today. It's going to be a long one. Like the next 4 hours. 5 hours is just YouTube. Family's up. Catch you guys later.